I know you do consultations, you know?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I mean,
Tell me about that, because, you know, if you were going to consult me, what would you say?
well, I don't know, man. I just like the fact that when you have all these celebrities on your show, I like the awkwardness, man. Oh, you put these people on.
You know, because I'm like going out of my mind, you know, like I'm freaking out. When I do my show,
Yeah.
it's like there's like just burst of energy all throughout my body, you know, and I just can't take it. I'm just freaking out, you know. I don't know what to say. You know, I have a great time, and I smile a lot. I feel good, you know. But you know, it's so good to see it. But I don't know. Like, there's so many things I don't know, you know.
Yeah. I'm ambiguous. You could call me the conspicuous ghost of ambiguity.
That's what I was gonna say. It's under your name on your website. It says that.
Yeah. Oh, you saw it. Yeah, the conspicuous
Yeah,
ghost of ambiguity.
Tell me about your website, because I know that's kind of what you thought about. That you know, you kind of figured out this is what I'm going to push. These are the different channels. This is what I do. And I have to say, it's very like there's a lot on there, you know. But I think that's important, because what are you going to do? Not highlight everything, you know?
Well, the thing is, I've done a lot of projects in LA. I did a lot of studio projects. I got invited to a lot of